products and tools have always helped us to increase our capabilities and welfare. This continuing process of improving and adjusting our tools has led to an enormous variety of welfare-enhancing, high-tech products that we use and rely on every day. And now, products are being launched on a daily basis.
In our economic system with such a large variety of humans, companies, products, how do you bring your product under the attention of your customer? SMEs have a limited amount of resources and can't inform everybody on their new product. But SMEs still need customers to gain essential revenues. So our main question is, how do these SMEs use marketing in their new product launch?
To gain some insight, we will interview the Chief Financial Officer of PalmSense in Utrecht.
My name is Willem van Velzen and I work at PalmSense. We sell scientific instruments which can measure, for example, heavy metals in water or wine, for example. It depends on the sensor you attach to this device.
We now know Willem van Velzen and his company PalmSense. But since we are interested in marketing in the launch of new products, let's discuss some theory first.
The role of marketing in launching new products is helping products succeed in the marketplace and realizing its sales potential, and is done by several activities. Influencing product design, positioning the product and the company to the outside, conducting market research, promoting the product, understanding and communicating with customers. The product launch often requires a large commitment in time, money and managerial resources. A marketing plan reveals a relationship between the company and the customer. A good plan offers very good after-sales and builds long and positive customer relationships. Furthermore, the attitude should be respectful towards customers and delivering a product that exceeds its expectations.
4 different phases can be distinguished in launching new products, namely product definition, market testing, product positioning and establishing price. Each distinct phase is shortly discussed and thereafter illustrated by Willem van Velzen.
In the beginning, one should clearly state what the product does and what it does not do. Because the product is not yet developed and some time might go past before introduction, foresight in competition and future market needs is essential.
This is the PalmSense, our flagship product. This is the first version of it. And you can attach your sensor cable here and you can attach it here to the computer. This is the predecessor of the PalmSense. It's called the PalmSense 3. As you can see, it has a new improved sensor connector position and a USB connection to attach it to your desktop PC.
In the market testing phase, customers can feedback the product. Based on this input, design trials can be made and function and cost are balanced. 3 main ways of market testing are organizing a focus group, talking to industry experts, or other methods, such as internet feedback.
Since a few months we want to have more feedback from our customers, from our end users. We do so when a customer buys an instrument, after 4 weeks we send them an email whether they like the instrument, and we also ask what they are doing, and we ask them to fill out a small questionnaire so we know how they like the software. It's a very important component of the instrument, and the hardware of the instrument itself, whether it's easy to use or not. And also small improvements. Improvements are the sensor connector that's more easy to use, and now we use the international standard, of course, USB. 10 years ago that was still serial cable instead of USB.
At the moment of introduction in the market, an accurate and clear description of the product is necessary. This should include the benefits of the product, the differences from competition, and consumer experience.
The main advantage of our product is that you can use it directly in the field. They are very small and lightweight, and they have a battery inside, so you can use it, you don't need a power socket. And you can use a laptop to hook on the instrument. And also we have even smaller versions. They have a little bit less specifications, so smaller ranges, what they can do, but this is really small, and this is also the smallest, as it's called, potentiostat in the world, so you can really easy use it.
Pricing the product is based on the perceived value of the customer, the cost of the product, and the distribution of the product. With more differentiated products, less focus is on price, and it's usually better to set the price at the high side. Furthermore, customers expect prices of high-tech products to fall over time.
For the pricing, we first take all the costs, so you need the PCB that's inside and the housing and the stickers, etc. And then you add it all up and you have a fixed price factor, and you multiply that with that factor, and then you have the end user price. And if you want to go to the distributor price, because we also work with a lot of distributors in different countries, you have a factor for them. So, for example, they get 30% discount on the end user price, and that is how we calculate their distributor price. And also our price list is not really, you cannot just download it from the website. The reason is that distributors don't like that, because they have their own prices and they don't want that their potential customers see our prices, because that's not, then their margin is lower and they don't want that.
Using the 4 phases the marketing activities of PalmSense in launching their product, the PalmSense Re, are described. PalmSense has a lot of knowledge of product definition and product positioning. Only more recently, and after product launch, attention is given to the market testing phase of the new product. Pricing is traditionally based on the manufacturing cost multiplied with a fixed factor. More attention can be paid to the market testing and pricing methods of the new products at PalmSense.